Hey there, fellow entertainment enthusiasts. If you're eager to dive into the magical world of Disney+, the vast library of Hulu, and the live sports action of ESPN+, then subscribing to the Disney Bundle is your next move. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start streaming in no time. It's simple, straightforward, and perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in. First, fire up your web browser or open the Disney Plus app on your device. Head straight to the official Disney website at disneyplus.com or search for Disney Bundle in your app store. Once you're there, look for the prominent Bundles section. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Next, select the Disney Bundle that suits you. They offer options like the Disney Bundle Duo, which includes Disney Plus and Hulu, or the Trio Bundle that adds ESPN Plus. Compare the plans based on price and features, and pick the one that fits your budget and viewing preferences. Now, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on Sign Up, and enter your email address, create a secure password, and provide any required details like your name and date of birth. If you're an existing user, just log in with your credentials to make things even faster. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your subscription details. Review the plan you've selected, then enter your payment information, such as your credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Double-check everything to ensure there are no errors. Finally, hit that subscribe or confirm button, and voila! You'll receive a confirmation email with all the details. You can start exploring right away. A couple of quick tips. Check for any ongoing promotions or discounts to save some money, and make sure your device is compatible with the apps for the best experience. There you have it. That's how you subscribe to the Disney Bundle. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy streaming!